In the context of asset protection, getting incorporated is a great first step towards properly safeguarding your assets. However, the problem is that most people think that's the end-all and be-all of asset protection, and unfortunately that is not the case. It's a great first step, and I'll explain in the context of why you want to look at it as just one component of your entire financial universe. Greetings, my name is Patrick Phancao with the Asset Protection Center. I am an estate planning attorney focused in the field of asset protection and elder law. I'm in the state of California and Florida. So let's look at it objectively. You run a business, and in order to run it properly and in a formal manner, you elect to incorporate that particular business. Let's call it a limited liability company. So that's a great first step. Assume that you are out driving around and there's an accident which you are responsible for. Well, in the event that you get sued, your particular business will not be dragged into that lawsuit because legally you, the individual, and you as the business owner are considered two separate legal entities. So flip the coin and look at it in the context of assuming that your business is a truck driving company and one of your employees causes an accident. Once again, the creditor, the victims of that accident can actually come after the company, but cannot come after you, the individual, because once again, there are two separate legal entities. So a lot of people tell me, well, shouldn't that be enough? Incorporation isn't enough. Should I have all of the assets of the company be owned by the LLC? And I hate to sound like an attorney, but the answer, once again, is it depends. Assume that you have a large amount of capital in the hardware or the hard assets of your company, such as 20 trucks. In the event that there's an accident, you might not want all trucks to be able to be used as a form of payment to the creditor, correct? So within that LLC, you can create another layer of protection. So I'm not going to get too deep into it because it can get a little complex, but based on the assets of the company, based on the assets that you own as an individual, such as investment company, maybe a boat, things of that nature, there are various instruments that you can have to hold these particular assets so that one accident doesn't cause a domino effect on all of your other belongings. So that's kind of the context. Once again, incorporation is a great first step, but it is not the solution that will cover all of particular incidences that can happen in a lifetime. So if you want to find out more, go ahead and visit us at assetprotectioncenter.com or call me 714-966-2646 and we'll talk about asset protection. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.